How to create forms in Highlevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. Knoll. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do just that by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to find forms in Highlevel. Question number two, how to create a form in Highlevel. And question number three, how to implement a form in Highlevel. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my demo account in Highlevel and show you exactly how to do just this. So you might be here on the Launchpad or dashboard. First thing you want to do is find forms. You can see it's not really located anywhere in the main menu here on the left. It is under sites in case you want to put that in your notes. And then once you get to sites, you're going to land on funnels. And then if you just keep looking straight across, you're going to find forms. And then from forms, you're going to find the builder. So you're going to click on, hover over forms, click on builder. From there, you can click this blue button, add form. You can choose a template or start from scratch. If you start from scratch, they actually don't, they start you off with some basic information, which is quite nice. They give you a form that already has, like it shows here, first name, last name, phone number, email, basically terms and conditions, consent box, button, privacy policy, terms of service. So you can modify any of this, remove it by clicking the X. You can move things around. You can change what's required, what is not required. If it's required, it'll put an asterisk by it. If you want to hide the tag above, so you just have the fields really clean with inset information like first name, last name, phone, email on the inside without the label on the outside, you can do that very easily too by simply clicking on styling and options and then going to show label and turning it off just like that. All right, so if you want that off, you can do that quickly and easily by going to styles and options, under styles, show label, turn it off or turn it back on. Totally up to you. That's the best and easiest way to do it. When I first started building forms, that was one of the first things I could not figure out initially how to do. I didn't realize how simple they had made it. I was stuck over here on the forms trying to remove like trying to remove the label and such, and it wasn't quite working for me. So there you have it. Once you're happy with it, give it a name. Right now it's named, form 4, which is fine for me. And then we can save that form. And then the next thing you want to do is be able to integrate this form or use this form. So one of the things you can do is you can click the preview button to see what this form looks like. It'll open up a link that is usable. And if you want, you can give this link out and people can actually use it. But it says no track equals true. So if you want track data on that, get rid of the question mark, no track equals true. The other thing you can do with your form is you click integrate. And from integrate, you can do things like embed layout type. You can choose like sticky sidebar, polite slide in, pop up, inline. You have trigger types. You have activation options, deactivation options. And then you can get that same link by copying form link here, and you can view it here as well. You can also copy an embed code and then paste that into any HTML. And that's one or two of the most basic ways to use it. The other one is to integrate it within your sales funnel or website inside of Highlevel, right? So once you have your form built out, you'll go back, you'll go to either funnels or websites. So if I want to go into funnels, I can create a new funnel, or I can go into a funnel and then I can add my form. So if I go into form 0 funnel, this first page is implementing a funnel, or I'm sorry, a form. So if I open that up in the editor, we have this form element. If I want to change which form it's using, I can do so by picking a different form here on the right hand side. So our brand new one, form 4, is right here, which looks very similar without the labels. And then I can just save my page, and now that is going to be embedded into my page. Now, how did I actually get this element? Good question. So we have this plus here where it says add elements, and we can then simply add a form just like this, and then we can select our form, and voila, we have another form. But we don't want to have two forms on the same page, so then we can just delete one of them. It doesn't matter which one, but that's how you add a form to either a sales funnel page or a website page. All right, so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you got a lot out of it. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video as always. If you have any further questions regarding what I just went through, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for Highlevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes High-Level Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about High-Level. You will also receive the High-Level Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with Highlevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if Highlevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or Highlevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my Highlevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try Highlevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for Highlevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with Highlevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of Highlevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of Highlevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of Highlevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have Highlevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the Highlevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including Highlevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the Highlevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the Highlevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to Highlevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the Highlevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my Highlevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with Highlevel inside of Highlevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.